Philanthropy. It's a pretty big word and an important one too. It comes from the Greek philo, which means friend. And if you translate it directly, it is love of mankind, or caring about your community. Philanthropy is about doing something with that love and care to make someone else's life better. Some people think it's about giving money to a charity, giving some of your treasure to someone else who needs it. Treasure isn't just about dollars. It could be a gently used toy, or a copy of a book you give to someone in need. That's part of it, but there are also two other T words that are just as important: time and talent. Giving of your time is a special one-of-a-kind gift because no one else can give your time away. Only you can. You could spend an afternoon serving lunch to kids who don't have enough food. You could play cards or share stories with folks in a retirement home. You might put together care packages to thank and inspire service members overseas. Or you could get to know Fido and help walk dogs at the local rescue center. Maybe you have a special talent. You're good at building things. Or you can convince others to join a cause. Anyone can be a philanthropist. Everywhere you look, there are opportunities to help. And in today's digital world, we can learn about what's going on down the street and around the world. We can connect and take action wherever we are. Think about it. You can donate a little of your treasure to help victims of floods or earthquakes in far-off lands. You can volunteer with organizations or inspire your classmates to make care packages when you notice a need. Even work virtually with others on the same goals, like an anti-bullying campaign or a clean water movement. When you share your time, talent, or treasure, it's like planting a seed. Before you know it, up pops a whole orchard. Your friends and neighbors see what you've done and they start planting too. They're smart. They don't want to be left out. Philanthropy truly does make the world go round. Without nonprofits and people who ask questions and seek answers, our society would be broken. Government and businesses can't possibly address all the issues, but philanthropists and givers of time, talent, or treasure can help fill in the gaps, and you have a role to play. From one little act of kindness, you can make an enormous difference. Oh, and here's the best part. Philanthropy is fun. Fun for those who benefit from your good work, and even more fun for you.
No matter what age you are, you can always help.
I want to be helpful to people. I want to be kind to them so that in the future that people can help me.
It's nice to see people giving back, and it's nice to know that you're part of that.
It makes me feel happy and good inside.
I like to know that people are getting a smile on their face because of the work that we